Welcome back, everyone. I just finished the gym, arm day, and I feel like cooking chicken fried rice. So yeah, this is quick and easy. I'm gonna do it the fast way, and let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm heating up the skillet right here, and I'm gonna dump some olive oil. You guys wanna see this? Real quick, let me turn the camera down. Can you see that? Well, this is hot. Add some olive oil. Hopefully I don't set off the smoke detector. And just add some chicken. Get my spatula ready. This is a lot of chicken, everyone. Probably too much chicken. So you see how the chicken, I kind of like press down like this. Kind of make it like, you know, tenderize it, and you see how it's kind of like brownish? I don't know if you can see that, but that's kind of what we want. So we're gonna take this, I'm gonna stick this in this bowl here. There we go. Can you see me? Or you can't. Hold on. Okay. Kind of. Now one day, I'm gonna figure out this whole camera thing, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna take the chicken, drop it in this bowl right here. Hot. And some of you are saying, yeah, that's a lot of chicken. Well, you can never have too much chicken. You know what I mean? Let me shut the stove off for a second. So right here, we're just gonna prep the ingredients. So when we start, so we can just toss it on the pan real quick. I probably should have used my wok, but it's kind of old, so I'm using my pan. So I'm gonna cut the green onion, just like so. Can you see this? Okay, I like green onions. I don't like these roots though. I'm gonna toss these in the sink. Okay, I'm gonna cut them like at an angle, you know what I mean? See that? Boom. Pretty good, huh? Okay, so green onion and a small white onion, okay? And I'm just gonna cut this into like little slices, you know? Actually, I think this is enough, so we won't use this other onion. Okay, onions cut right here. Right here we have some peas. Technically they should be frozen peas, but whatever. We got a carrot right here. And I'm gonna use my little friend right here. What I'm gonna do, and so we keep the carrot fresh, I'm gonna shred this carrot into the chicken we just cooked, okay? See that? Yeah. Okay, it's pretty good. I'll set this over here, like so. Carrots and onions right here, okay? I guess I'll heat up the pan again. I'm gonna set this on medium-high heat. Okay, we'll set this over here. I like garlic. You can use one or two, but I'm gonna use maybe just one garlic, okay? I'm gonna smash one garlic. Yeah, make sure it's nice and thin. I like to do this little stuff move right here. Okay, and that's it. So now we're gonna add this to the pan over here. As we can see, okay. So the pan's heating up on medium-high. Add some olive oil. That's a lot of olive oil, but whatever. Add the garlic. Add the onion. We're gonna add half of these peas. Okay. Stir this a little bit. So we used, right now we have olive oil, garlic, peas, and some white onion. And after about 30 seconds, we're gonna add this white rice. It doesn't matter if it's new or old. You know what I mean? Just now, we're gonna toss on this white rice. Look at that. Oh, I forgot one thing. One second. Oh, bear with me. 1 second. A little butter. Let's put that right in the center. Let it melt. Perfect. Rinse my hand. Got butter all over it. I mean, and we're just gonna stir this around, okay? So yeah. So right now I'm just stirring this around, and it's not bright, isn't it? You know? Move this light. So yeah, stir it around, and we're kind of. I guess that's why they call it. I guess that's why they call it fried rice. So we're frying the rice. Yeah, I know, I'm a genius. Okay. So keep cooking it. I'll show you guys in a second, okay? Almost there. And it's looking good. The rice is browning a little bit. Oh, I need one more thing. I'm sorry. We're gonna need 2 eggs. So we're gonna crack these in the center and cook it like halfway. And when the eggs are kind of halfway cooked, we're gonna collapse the rice into it. You'll see right now. Olive oil in the center. One egg. 2 eggs. So the egg's cooking a little bit. Keep stirring the egg. See that? Now we're gonna mix it all together, okay? Now I'm gonna take the chicken and carrots and add that in. There we go. Can everyone see that? Looking pretty good. So next we're gonna add some sesame seeds, a little chicken bouillon cube, right? Some, I'm gonna drop that on my face. Sesame oil and olive oil. So we're gonna add soy sauce, sesame oil, looking chicken bouillon cube, and some sesame seeds right now. Boom. Now mix this all together. Boom. Yeah, it's a little messy, but next time I'll utilize the wok. Right now I'm just mixing all the ingredients together, and it's almost done at this point. And I'm going to transfer it to a bowl, and we'll see how this turned out. Alright, so I'm going to transfer this to the bowl, clean up a little bit, and we'll see how this tastes. I'll be right back. So last thing we added in the green onions. And it's been a very long day, long workout, but cheers. Try this out. I should have got a spoon, but it's pretty good. You guys want to take a closer look? See that? It's pretty good. Surprised myself, you know? Sorry. Usually I put it on a larger bowl, but due to I'm making a video, I just use this little bowl to kind of make it look, I don't know. Ready? Anyways, sometimes I put on a plate and I'll cook an egg, 2 eggs, and I put a layer of egg on top of it, which kind of makes it kind of tasty. So it's like chicken fried rice with a thin egg on top. You should try that too at home. I was gonna do that tonight, but I'm kind of tired, kind of hungry. Tonight I'm gonna watch that Marvel Secret Invasion TV show, episode 1. So hopefully it's pretty good. Anyways, have a great night. Comment below. Hopefully you keep your comments clean, or not. Anyways, have a great night, everyone. Take care, and goodbye. Oh, and like and subscribe. Goodbye.